Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a bustling town where believers thronged the mosques, there lived a man renowned for his outward piety. Each day, he would diligently visit the mosque clad in pristine white garments. He offered lengthy prayers in the front row, his voice resonating through the halls. In the marketplace, he was generous, ensuring his acts of charity never went unnoticed. Gold coins gleamed in his palm as he gave them to the poor, ensuring they thanked him aloud. He basked in the reputation of being a devout and charitable man. However, hidden within the depths of his heart was a burning desire for acknowledgement and praise from his fellow citizens. His every act was carefully crafted to garner admiration. On the day of judgment, he stood before Allah, anticipating great rewards for his pious life. But instead, his deeds dissolved like dust in the wind. "You performed these deeds to be praised by men, not for my pleasure," Allah declared. "Hence, they hold no weight here." Shocked and dismayed, he realized the truth. The applause and accolades he cherished on earth amounted to nothing when weighed against sincerity. Reflecting on his life, the man understood that the purity of intention meant everything. True rewards belong to those who acted with sincerity, seeking Allah's pleasure alone. Sincerity is everything. Moral: deeds done for fame earn no reward. Actionable: check your intention, do it for Allah. End with: sincerity is everything. Subscribe to Smart Story Studio. Moral lessons: 1. Deeds done for fame earn no reward from Allah. 2. Sincerity in action is more important than appearance. 3. People can praise you, but Allah sees your true intention. 4. Pride in one's piety is a form of arrogance. 5. Only Allah knows the true worth of your deeds. Actionable plans: 1. Check your intentions before doing anything. Ask yourself, am I doing this for Allah? 2. Seek private moments of worship, away from the gaze of others. 3. Remember to praise Allah for the opportunity to do good, instead of seeking praise. 4. Purify your heart by avoiding the desire for recognition. 5. Reflect daily. Are you seeking Allah's pleasure, or the admiration of people? What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you, or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.